Hello students. So the question is, a boat can travel a downstream distance of 72 km in 6 hours and upstream distance of 84 km in 14 hours. Find the difference between downstream distance traveled by the boat in 8 hours and the distance traveled by the boat in still water is 6 hours. Okay. And the options given are A 42 km, B 36 km, C 54 km and D 60 km. Now let's go to the solution. Let us consider the speed of the boat in still water be x km per hour and the speed of the stream be y km per hour. So according to the question, 72 by x plus y equals to 6. That is the downstream speed. So we have to plus the relative speeds of boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So x plus y, 72 is the distance covered in downstream. So 72 by x plus y equals to 6 hours because it took 6 hours. Here given in the question, a boat can travel a downstream distance of 72 km in x plus y speed in 6 hours. So on solving this equation, we are getting x plus y equals to 12. That is 72 by 6 is 12. Okay. Now, similarly, upstream distance. To find the upstream distance of 18 km in 14 hours. So for upstream speed, the relative speed will be subtracted. Therefore, x minus y. So 84, a distance of 84 kilometers by x minus y, that is the relative speed of upstream, equals to, it took 14 hours. Therefore, equals to 14. 84 by x minus y equals to 14. On solving this equation, we will get x minus y equals to 6 because 84 by 14 equals to 6. So, we are getting two equations, x plus y equals to 12 and x minus y equals to 6. So adding equation 1 and 2, we are getting x plus y plus x minus y equals to 12 plus 6. So plus y and minus y will be cancelled out. So 2x equals to 12 plus 6, 18. X equals to 18 by 2, x equals to 9 km per hour. Hence, distance, downstream distance traveled by the boat in 8 hours that we have to calculate will be 12 into 8, which is equals to 96 km. And distance traveled by the boat in still water in 6 hours will be 9 into 6, that is equals to 54 kilometer. So the required difference will be 96 kilometer minus 54 kilometer because we have to find the difference between downstream distance traveled by the boat in 8 hours, that is 96 kilometer, and the distance traveled by the boat in still water in 6 hours, which is 54 kilometer. So the required difference is 96 minus 54, which is 42 kilometer. Hence option A, 42 kilometer is the correct answer.